The ARC4.address type is essentially an alias for a 32-byte array that represents an Algorand address. When working with accounts, you'll typically use the AlgoPy.account reference type, which provides numerous useful properties like balance and the number of assets held by the account. Let's take a look at this code example to learn how the ARC4.address type can be used. When a method accepts an ARC4.address type as an argument, you have two main ways to work with it. If you need the raw address data, you can access the underlying bytes using the .bytes property. If you want to work with the full account details, you can convert it to an account reference type using address.native. Now, the account variable is an account type with access to various properties. However, here's an important caveat. You can't return reference types directly from your contract. Instead, if you need to return an account address, first convert the account type to an arc4.address type by wrapping the account variable with arc4.address class, and then return the converted address. This makes the arc4.address type valuable in contract methods. It's the perfect solution for both accepting and returning an address.